Good morning, students. Last time we saw addition in algebraic expression identities. Addition of monomials, binomials and trinomials. Addition, I told you that monomials can be done in a horizontal way. Binomials and trinomials can be done in a vertical way. Today we are going to see regarding the subtraction. So I told you four fundamental operations are there. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we are going to see today regarding the subtraction of what you call it as a subtraction of monomials and binomials. How to do the subtraction? Before I do the subtraction, in rational numbers, I will teach you how to do the subtraction with natural numbers and whole numbers. Then you will come to know what it is. Sometimes it will be given subtract 12 from 21. So what you have to remember is that after from whichever the number comes, that should be written first, 21. What you have to do? Subtract. So subtract symbol is minus. Okay. After subtract, whatever number is given, that you have to write it down. So 21 minus 12. That you have to keep in mind. Whenever subtraction is asked, you have to keep that in mind. Subtract 12. Suppose it is given subtract 25 from 75. So first to write down, it will be 75 minus 25. Same method we are going to use for variables also. So let us see first monomials. So subtract 8x square y from 13x square y. So what I have to do? I have to subtract 8x square y from 13x square y. So first what I will do is horizontal. So first I will write it down 13x square y. So I will know which variable comes after from should be written first. Then what is there? Subtract. So put minus sign. Then whatever the number is written after subtract will come next. So it will become 8x square y. Horizontal, I told you have to take the common variables. Which is the common variable? X square y and x square y. So what will happen here? X square y I will take common. 13 minus 8. What is 13 minus 8? It is 5. So first I will write down the constant and then I will write down the variable. So the answer is what it is. 5x square y. So can you know how to do the subtraction? This is subtraction of monomials. Okay. Next we will do subtraction of binomials. How to do the binomials? 9x plus 4y from 15x minus 7y. This we will do in a vertical form. Vertical means what? One below the other. So first what you have to write down, which term you have to write down, I told you. After from whatever comes, that term binomial should be written first. Which is a binomial? 15x minus 7y. So 15x minus 7y. Below that you will write it down, whichever term is given after subtract. Which is that term? 9x below plus 4y. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract. So one rule is there when we do the subtraction. So what will happen is, if you do the subtraction, this will become minus. So plus will become minus and here also the plus will become minus. So there will be change in sign for the second binomial. So here plus 9x will become minus 9x and plus 4y will become minus 4y. How we did in addition? First we take these two. Minus 7y minus 4y. I told you last time when we were adding. Okay, two terms having same what you call it as sign. What you have to do? Keep the sign as it is. So what is the sign? Minus. So two negatives when you are adding, add and keep negative sign. So 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is what it is? Minus 11y. So here it became minus 11y. Now here it is 15x minus 9x. So 15x minus 9x. 15 minus 9. How much it is? 6x. So your answer became as 6x minus 11y. So in this what happens? The second binomial sign will change. Plus will become minus here. 9 is also plus and 4 is also plus. So both became minus because you are doing subtraction. This is the vertical way of subtraction of what we call it as binomials. One more example. Let us take one more example. 12a square plus 3b square from 21a square minus 9b square. So first what you have to do, I told you again, take the binomial which is after from. So take it, 21a square minus 9b square. Below that write down the next binomial. Below a square. So 12a square minus 3b square. Now we have to change the sign. This is plus, this will become minus. This is minus, this will become plus. Now you need to know. Now what is here? Minus 9b square plus 3b square. Last time I taught you, when one is minus and another is plus, see the greater number. In 9 and 3, which is a greater number? 9 is a greater number. What is sign before 9? Minus. So the sign will come minus because the greater number is minus. Next what you have to do, from 9 you subtract 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So you got it as minus 6b square. So minus 6b square. 21a square minus 12a square. So 21a square minus 12a square. Same thing, 21 is plus, greater number is 21. So answer will be plus. 21 minus 12. So 11 minus 2 is 9, 0. So what you got it as 9a square minus 6b square. This is how we are going to do the subtraction for binomials. Same way you can do subtraction for trinomials also. Let us see one example. Subtract 3x plus 4y minus 2z from 9x minus 7y minus 11z. So first what we are going to keep, we are going to take whatever the trinomial is there after from. So 9x minus 7y minus 11z. Below that 3x plus 4y minus 2z. Next what we are going to do, change the sign of the second binomial. Plus is there, this will become minus. This will also become minus and this will become plus. Let us see now here. Minus 11z plus 2z. Which is greater number? 11. What is the sign? Minus. 11 minus 2 is how much? 9. Because I told you when one is negative and one is positive, take the greater number. First you keep its sign and from greater number subtract the smaller number. So I got it as minus 9z. Next you see, both are minus. This also I have taught you. Two negatives should be added and keep negative sign. 7 plus 4 is how much? 11. So I got it as minus 11y. Now look here. 9x minus 3x, very simple. 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. You got it as 6x minus 11y minus 9z. So came to know this is how we have to do what we call it as the subtraction and addition of monomials, binomials and trinomials. Today now we will go to the exercise which is called exercise 6.1. I will teach you the sum exercise 6.1. See the first sum. What is the first sum given? First sum is told classify the terms, their coefficient for each of the following expression. I have given you when I was teaching you in the video class. So you have to do that sum in your homework book because I have already taught you. Second sum you see, classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. That is very easy. So that also you have to do in your homework book. So first and second sum you are going to do in your homework book. And what is given in that second question? Which polynomials do not fit in any of these three categories? See the polynomial. One polynomial is given as x plus x squared plus x cubed plus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 5 is given for you in that particular problem, in that sum. Second one. Now look here. All the variables are same. When it will become a binomial, trinomial, polynomial, when the variables should be different and in between them plus or minus sign should come. Here the variables are same, powers are different. So this cannot be called as a polynomial. So came to know why it is not called as a polynomial. Next is given AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Here also what is happening now, see, A, B, C, D, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. There is a cyclic movement of the variables. Repetition is there. All the variables are not different. So this cannot be called as a polynomial. So in second sum, these two are not called as a polynomial. I have already given you the reason for that. Now we will move to the third way, which is called add the following. What it is the sum is called? Add the following. Oh, in that first sum, let us see. Third main, first sum. So what is the first sum given? Let us see the first sum. You have to open your page number 92. First sum. AB minus BC is given. AB minus BC one is given. BC minus CA is another one given. And third one is given. CA minus AB. And I already told you monomials means horizontal. This is binomials. Binomials means what we are going to do? We are going to keep one below the other. So first I am going to write down AB minus BC. Below that I am going to write down next step. BC minus CA. Below that I am going to write down next step. CA minus AB. CA minus AB. Or we can do in this way also. If you take AB minus BC, in between them plus sign, BC minus CA, in between them plus sign, and minus AB. Now look here, AB is there and minus AB is there. In algebra, one rule is there. If two variables are same variables with opposite signs, they will get cancelled. Very important. Two same variables with opposite signs. Now plus x minus x will get cancelled. Plus y minus y will get cancelled. Plus xy minus xy which will get cancelled. So cancellation is only possible in variables if both the variables are same, but one should be positive and another should be negative. Let us see. Plus AB minus AB, what happens? Cancels. Plus BC minus BC cancels. Plus CA minus CA cancels. So you will get it as answer as what? 0. Why? Because the variables are same with what you call it as a different sign. So you call it as 0. So this is sum number 1 in exercise third main, sum number 1 in exercise 6.1. Now let us go to the second sum. What does the second sum says? Let us write it down. 7 plus y plus 5x. So it is a trinomial. 7 plus y plus 5x. 2y minus 3y square. 2y minus 3y square. Then 2y minus 3y square is given. Then 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube is given. Then 5x minus 4 plus 5x minus 1 second. Let us see the second sum. Second sum is given a minus b plus ab. What is given? A minus b plus ab, b minus c plus bc, c minus a plus ca. So here we have to add all these three. So we put first the sign. First trinomial a minus b plus ab, we will write it down. Before we write the second trinomial, we put the plus sign. B minus c plus bc, we write it down. Before we write the third trinomial, we put the plus sign. C minus a plus ca, we write it down. Let us see now. Plus a and minus a, what I told, it will get cancelled. Plus b and minus b. Plus c and minus c. So what is remaining? ab. Then plus BC, then plus CA. This is what the second sum in third main exercise 6.1. Next we will go to the third sum. What is the third sum given as? 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. So this is also a trinomial. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Next is given 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. So here what we will do, we will take the vertical. Why not vertical? Thereby we did not take the vertical because we had same variables with plus and minus sign. So vertical it will become difficult to cancel. Easy when we take horizontal addition. So we took horizontal addition. Here all the terms are different. So we can take vertical. So first I will write down this one. So 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Below that I will write down the second trinomial. So p square q square is there. So below p square q square should only come. But what it is? Minus. So minus 3p square q square. pq plus 7pq. Then number. What is number? 5 plus 5. So what we are going to do? Addition we are going to do. So we take this. Both are plus, very easy. 5 plus 4 is what? 9. Sign is plus. Now you will see. Plus 7pq minus 3pq. One is plus, one is minus. See the greater number. Which is the greater number? 7. What is sign before 7? Plus. So answer is plus. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. You got it as plus 4pq plus 4pq. See the next now. What is given? 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. So see here. Here you got 2 is plus and 3 is minus. Which is the greater number? 3. What sign is there? Minus. So here also it will become minus. From 3 2 goes how much remain? 1. So we are going to write down p square q square. So minus p square q square. So here 1 is plus, 1 is minus. See the greater number. Greater number is 3. So you get minus sign over here. 3 minus 2 is 1. So p square q square. So this is what you have to do in the third sum in third main. It is exercise 6.1. And next we will go to the fourth sum in third main. What is the fourth sum given? L square plus m square. Binomial. M square plus n square. It is also binomial. N square plus L square. It is also binomial. Plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. So this is given to you. So what we are going to do now? Okay, this whole is one term. 2lm, 2mn, 2l. So one trinomial and 3 binomials are there. So what shall we do for this? First we will take the same terms are there, you can see. So we will not do vertical addition, we will do horizontal. So keep in mind, binomial horizontal can be done only when same variables with same powers are given. Here you can see x square is there, L square is there, m square is there, m square is there, n square is there, n square is there. So we are going to do horizontal addition. So L square plus m square. Second binomial put plus sign, m square plus n square. Third binomial put plus sign, n square plus l square. Okay, last trinomial put plus sign, 2nm plus 2mn plus 2nn. Now look here, L square, how many times it came? 2. So L square plus L square is 2L square. M square plus M square is 2M square. N square plus N square is 2N square. Plus 2Ln plus 2Mn plus 2Nn. In all you can see 2 is common. So I can take out 2 common. So I get L square plus M square plus N square plus Mn plus Ln plus Mn plus Nn. Why I did in horizontal way? Because same terms with same power is there. So no need to do vertical addition. So I did it as what? Horizontal addition. So this is regarding it. Now we will go to the next, that is fourth main. In fourth main, what you have to do, let us see. You have to do the subtraction. Very important it is. So fourth A is given. Subtract. What do you do the subtraction? Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. We will do vertical. What is vertical? First we will write it down from what is given from whatever this term is there. It is a polynomial more than 3. So 12a will come, minus 9ab will come, plus 5b will come, minus 3 will come. So take to know how to do. Next below that I write down the after subtract whatever the polynomial is given. So below a will come 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now what I have to do? I have to change the sign of the second polynomial. Plus will become minus, plus, minus, minus. Now you can see here, minus 3 minus 12, 2 negative sign, minus 3, add you will get a 15. So it became minus 15. Next one let us see. Plus 5b minus 3b. Which is greater number 5? What is the sign? Plus, so it will become plus. From 5, 3 subtracted, how much remains? 2. Here you can see minus 9ab plus 7b. Minus 9ab plus 7ab. Which is the greater number? 9. What is the sign? Minus. 9 minus 7 is 2. So I got it as minus 2ab. Now look here, 12 minus 4, which is the greater number? 12. Sign is plus, so we won't keep plus, but this will be considered as plus. 12 minus 4 is what? 8. So you got it as 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. So this is how we have to do the subtraction. Now we will go to the sum number b. What is b given? Subtract. Okay, subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay. So first we will write it down, that polynomial which is after from. So which is that polynomial? 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Below this we write down the polynomial is after subtract. Below xy, xy. So 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx and nothing is there over here. So you will take it as 0. Nothing is given there. That you have to keep in mind. Now let us change the sign. We have to change the sign of the second polynomial. So plus will become minus, minus, plus, and this will become minus. Now what will happen? 10 minus 0, it will become 10 more, it will remain as it is because there is no number. Here you will see. Minus 2zx plus 7zx. So minus 2zx plus 7zx. Which is the greater number? 7. What is the sign? Plus. 7 minus 2, 5zx. So you got it as plus 5zx. So if now we did it. Next one. What is given? Minus 2yz and minus 5yz. I told you two negatives. Keep the negative sign and add. 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. So I got it as minus 7yz. This is very easy, last one. 5xy minus 3xy. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. So 2xy. So this is the answer. I go to the last sum in that. Let me see. Let us see what is given in C. So fourth C is there. Subtract 4p square cube. See what is given. 4p square cube minus 3p cube plus 5pq square. See, it's a big sum. 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q plus 10 from. See, it's a very big polynomial. Last one. From 18 minus 3b minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. So came to know how big is the sum. So this is the last sum what we are going to work out in exercise 6.1. So first I will write down from whatever is given. 18, 3p, 11q, 5pq minus 2p q square plus 5. So I write down like that only. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Over. Now below this I write down from. Subtract afterwards what is given. Now I have to find out what is the number 10. So 10 is plus, so plus. Then minus 8p, see below pp, plus 7q. Then pq, where is pq? pq minus, so minus 3pq. Where is pq square? pq square is in there. Plus 5pq square. Where is p square q? Plus 4p square q. So got it up. Now I have to change the sign of the second one. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, minus. Plus 5 minus 4. 5 is greater number, it is plus. From 5, 4 goes, it remains p square q. Next, both are negative, I told you. On and on I am repeating. Two negatives, keep negative sign and you will get pq square. Here both are positive, very easy. Plus 5 plus 3 is how much? 8pq. Here both are negative again. Negative sign, add and keep the answer. Here one is positive, one is negative. Which is positive? Greater number 8. So sign plus 8 minus 3 is 5. Here plus 18 minus 10. So you will get 8. So this is your answer. So this ends the exercise 6.1. So today I will stop here. Next time we'll go to the next exercise, next what you call as multiplication, and that exercise also we will solve. So thank you children.